Holy shit. All right. Ready?
What's up, Issy? You watching I Love I, Holmes? No more locked doors.
No more locked doors.
You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate.
I'm Trinell.
And we're here in the West Side. What's up?
Checking out VITO'S Pizza, y'all. VITO'S Pizza. Y'all know about them. Y'all better ask somebody.
So, he does something special, right?
He does something really, really special.
I think he walks his pizza?
It's the yeast. He takes the yeast on a walk with a big bodyguard. If you guys haven't seen Food Network where they're on it, you should check it out because it's pretty funny. That bodyguard is huge. But I think it makes all the difference in the pizza, so I'm ready to try it out. Bodyguard? Yeah, there's a huge dude that walks around. There's some important yeast. All right. On Food Network.
Really?
Cool. Yeah.
So we gonna have an experience right here with this pizza.
Experience. Right
because
here.
this pizza has an experience right before it hits the oven.
Yeah.
He walks the pizza dough.
He walks it around.
Actually, are you ready for this? Vito takes his yeast for a walk every day. So you just walk it outside?
I wait until it's early in the morning and I bring it here. Sometimes I go to the park.
What is it called?
Food Network?
Yeah. It's Food Network, but I don't know which segment, I guess you could say.
Hey, but yo, see, that's what happens when you like love what you're cooking.
Yeah. You walk it around the block.
Right?
You ever walk your pig around the block before you chop him up?
Bacon.
But yeah, man, I heard this spot's really dope. He's been in the news a lot. So I'm really excited to see what this is about. So we got 4 different pizzas. We got your regular pepperoni. We got kind of, what is it? Fresh mozzarella, basil, and tomato.
We got the mozzarella cheese melted on top.
This one right here is meatballs. We got the tomato. I want you guys to see this one because this is like a pizza you've probably never seen before.
I've seen it.
So yeah, right.
And you got jalapenos and
tomatoes, and meatballs. So it looks really, really good. And then this one is what they call the red meat. All my vegetarians out there would hate this one, and vegans, but we'll eat it for you. Don't worry. Where are we gonna start?
First off, the cool thing about this place is like when you go to like
we're not starting yet.
When you go to other pizza spots, like you gotta order a whole pie, right?
Yeah.
And it's especially if they have a big menu, you're just like, oh man, I wanted to try that
everything.
one. Yeah. And so here they sell it by the slice too. So don't be scared to go here by yourself. You can try different things. We got 4 different slices, and we're gonna tell you how good it tastes.
Yeah, it's like you're in New York a little bit. You're gonna go for that one?
Yeah, we gotta go for the traditional pepperoni first, right?
Go for that one.
And so
You're gonna
this is like a New York style pizza.
How do you eat your pizza though?
So you got fold your pie. Right?
Oh, you don't flip it in?
Nah.
No? Okay.
I just fold.
All right.
You know what? That's pretty good. Their dough is really good.
Yeah, 500-year-old starter for that dough right there, baby. It's a rumor. It's a rumor.
And when you fold it, by the way, it makes it so much cleaner. Things don't drip on you. That's bomb. And LA's not really a spot for pizza, but now it is. Let's try this mozzarella. Mozzarella, basil, tomatoes.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to steal the pizza from this
It's
dude.
crunchy. That cheese is good.
Oh man. That basil though?
Fresh.
Woo! Yeah.
So, and you can learn from this guy. You should walk your pizza.
Do it, bro.
Anytime I see jalapenos on a pizza, it just makes me feel like I'm in LA. I mean, I am in LA, but you know what I mean.
So far, it's 3 for 3.
Jalapeno on a pizza, by far, is a must.
Yep.
That's so good. How'd you find this spot?
Food Network, baby.
Damn. I gotta watch Food Network more.
They have some spots. Hey, Guy Fieri, you know what I'm saying? All of them.
I don't know, man. I went to this one spot Guy Fieri talked about. We were in Honolulu, right? And there was like this Filipino restaurant, Elena's, in Waipahu. And by the way, I'm sorry if I like said that wrong, but he had like this adobo omelet, And it looked good in like video and all that stuff, but when we tasted it, shit was disgusting. But anyway,
this spot is like,
I'm done hating.
I love it. Yeah, and then,
Let's take it back here. This place is love. I love this place. Awesome.
Yeah, if you guys have a chance, I would definitely search VITO'S Pizza on the Food Network and watch that, because it was a pretty dope episode. And I heard he actually still comes into the spot a lot, so that's pretty cool.
Shit, I would come to the spot a lot.
He cussed. That's how you know it's good.
Yeah. But you know what? The only reason why I wouldn't come here often is just because of the traffic. It's in the west side. Like,
Yeah.
oh, hell no.
I mean, yeah, granted it is. But here's the great thing about this place, though. Most of the time you got to find street parking, which Tim and Nate did. But they have parking inside of here. It's like right there. My car is parked right there. I can walk over there and leave.
Hey, you guys want to see his plate number so you can go stalk him?
Man, you're cold, bro. That was straight for the jugular right there. I'll drive you to your car. Honestly, it's hard to. Not a lot of times I can't choose a favorite, but I enjoyed every single one of them.
Yeah, and I want to try more because they had like the white pesto.
Yep. The pesto. Oh yeah.
Or
we
the
gotta
white
come
pesto and mozzarella.
back. Sonny would love this spot, I think.
But I don't know, man. My favorite is this one
The
right
basil?
here. No, the
red meat?
The red meat. Because it's just meat.
Yeah.
It's just pepperoni, and meatballs, and onions.
Bacon. Or
bacon.
Canadian ham, which is bacon.
And meat.
Yeah.
And,
Any of them. Just get any one of them. I'm
yeah.
cool with that.
But thanks for joining us here today. If you guys know of any other cool pizza spots or, hey, any other restaurants that you want us to check out, let us know in the comments below, and we're going to do our best to check it out for you.
Yep. Also, yeah, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Also, let Trinell talk.
Yeah, is that what's happening?
Yeah.
So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, the bell notification, so you get notified when we put out videos just like this.
Share this with your family and friends,
Because they're going to love it.
and we're going to catch you in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.
Baby,